younger editions have braved storms of change and uncertainty. Like navigators in unfamiliar waters, they have charted their paths with courage, focus, and faith. It was not always easy. The road has been steep, the days long, but through it all, they stood tall. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Andre Mateo Di Mate Antonio of TED Council.
Good afternoon and paksat bonum to our fellow students, parents, guests, teachers, and
Paksat bonum. Our rector, Reverend Father Cesar F. Aquin, OFM Capuchin, our prior administrators, Reverend Father Jeffrey Torres, OFM Capuchin, and Reverend Father John Ray Baalan, OFM Capuchin, fellow lay administrators, teachers, and 84 males. With a total of 96 grade 10 Rhodesians who have successfully accomplished all requirements prescribed under the junior high school curriculum of the Department of Education.
At this point, Jessie Igorabo. And from Grade 10 Justice, Miguel Francisco P. Sanchez.
Grade 10 students, by the authority vested in me by the Department of Education and Lourdes School, Quezon City, as the school rector, I confer upon you the junior high school certificates and declare you completers for school year 2025-2026. Congratulations, my dear Rhodesians, and all the best in senior high school.
Let us all give our Grade 10 completers a resounding round of applause as they take the next step in their religious journey. Thank you very much, Grade 10 completers.
Yari II. Kevin Ivan. Juan Gabriel V. Ramos. Robert Gabriel. 10 Council for school year 2025-2026.
Jordan Raiden D. Comia. Remigio Antonio A. Cusipa. Don Enrico Nathaniel E. de la Cruz. Ryzen M. Perez. As their class advisor, it is my pride and honor to present to you the completers of 10 Fortitude for school year 2025-2026.
Young men and women of the class of justice for school year 2025-2026. Joaquin Lucas S. Almoito. Brian U. Alvis. Cedric Rafael D.V. Anos. Jano C. Antonio. Ethan Grant C. Bermudez. Arlean J. De Los Santos. John Carlos Vito Semyon P. Gayoso. Tajvir Singh Gill. Brian Ray T. Ginto. Jazz Louis N. Ocampo. Errol Cadence Gizo. Lord give Benedict P. Sabado. Miguel Francisco P. Sanchez. Ethan Jervil H. Tan. Sebastian K. A.T. Cassius Lance D. Uy. Gabriel Maris R.
Supervisor, it is my pride and honor to present to you the completers of 10 Justice for school year 2025-2026. Your journey is just taking flight. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining your light. I'll be here cheering you on with pride as you continue this Laurentian pride. Once again, I present to you the junior high school completers from the class of 10 Justice for school year 2025-2026. Congratulations.
It is with a deep sense of pride and honor that I present to you the St. Padre Pio awardees for the school year 2025-2026. From the class of 10 Council, Jaden Anthony M. Alcantara.
My favorite memory in LSQC is with all the laughter and jokes that are shared by my teachers and classmates inside the classroom. This because it made each and every day lighter and never mundane.
I can never forget those I've met along the way. Through the years, many memories I have were shared with the people of this batch. I look fondly at the teamwork and laughter exhibited by all of my classmates. I may not always be at my best. I have my good and my bad days. With a supportive bunch, every moment is an opportunity for learning. This is where I found out how to collaborate with others better.
My teachers always said that a diamond is a rock that survives under pressure. Pumasok ako sa school ng takot, nababagabag, at nag-aalala sa future. I didn't expect that this was the beginning of the turning point of our lives. Dito ko nakilala yung mga taong dinadamayan ako sa pagod, hirap, saya, at mga taong hindi ko kaano-ano na magpupuring kong pamilya. Ito yung simula na hindi ko malilimutang alaala, aral, at kaibigan.
One thing that I have learned is to never give up. Even when you feel tired or you think that things are not going your way, we should still work hard and strive to achieve our goals in order to become the best versions of ourselves that we can be.
Socializing isn't really one of my strong suits, so I'm surprised that I have come so far with all of the learnings that I received from these people. As we go our separate ways, may we never forget everything that we have learned
congratulations to this batch, batch 2025-2026 of grade 10 for all the sections that I've handled, especially to my advisor class, 10 Council. The last 2 years were the best years of my teaching career. Although I'm already a seasoned teacher, I feel that you have respected me and listened to me well. For 10 Council, considered as the most disciplined class, discipline is not only about academics, but I hope they have learned a lot from LSQC and that you will bring it to a culmination not only here in LSQC, but for the rest of your life. So to grade 10, batch 2025-2026, onwards to your grade 11, may you have the best years ahead of you and always bring with you the Lerdician spirit. Paxet Bonum, and I'll always see you.
I think if I had to pick a best memory, let's start with Justice. Feeling ko, I enjoyed the most supervising them, like practicing for Les Miserables and the play, kasi I could feel like the synergy and the energy within the class, and it was electric. With Council, my favorite, I know this might seem like so simple, but my favorite memory with them is just the daily class, because it's always a good conversation, teaching them English, parang they're so receptive with what I teach, and they're so perceptive, and having class with them is so enjoyable. With Fortitude, they're my babies. My favorite memory with them, medyo madami. The retreat is fun, class with them, yung homeroom na laging parang conversations lang, and the intramurals, cheering them on, seeing them win, seeing them conquer challenges after challenges this school year. I feel like it's my favorite memory with them. Thank you very much, grade 10, batch 25-26. It was a joy to have you as my students. You were difficult, but it was a good challenge. It was a challenge that I enjoyed throughout the school year, and I hope that you reach new heights in senior high school. And I hope I see you still in words next year. Who knows, maybe we can still meet inside the classroom. Maybe I can still be your theater teacher. Yun lang naman. Thank you very much, and I love you all.
Hi, grade 10 students. 2 taon ko kayong nakasama at 2 taon ko nakita ang paglalakbay ninyo hanggang sa posisyado bilang sa high school students. Nakita ko lahat ng paghihirap ninyo, lahat ng sundo ninyo, at kung paano nyo nalagpasan yun, at kung paano nyo napaulat ang sarili ninyo bilang mga Lerdiciano. Naway lahat ng aral na itinulong sa inyo ng Lourdes, hindi nyo
deserve it. Let us all stand as we sing our beloved.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been
closing time. Open all the doors and let you out into the world. Closing time. Turn all of the lights on over every boy and every girl. Closing time. One last call for alcohol, so finish your whiskey or beer. Closing time. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I know who I want to take me home.